so starting this off, painting your car, it's a daunting task. And for me, I was nervous because you buy all these supplies, you prep a small garage, and you're ready to go. But there's a lot of science to it. There's mixtures, there's ratios. So I started off with sanding. My car was always this kind of off-white. It had scratches, it has little dents. So I was like, all right, this is my chance to learn something new and also refine my car and get to be a little bit more meticulous and make it nicer. All right, so first things first, what I started off with was the sanding. I used a DA sander and used a 220 and moved up to, I believe, a 400 grit sandpaper. I also then moved on to a hand sanding with a block. While I was here, I decided to pull the trunk as I had a special fiberglass trunk that I happened to score from somebody in the Philippines. Super cool story. This guy named Rhett, he made it in the Philippines himself. Master of fiberglass, and it's pretty killer. So another thing I did was I went around with a magnet on the body, an old bodywork trick that I've seen somebody do before, and I was just kind of checking if it stuck and if there was any panels that had Bondo, and sure enough I found one panel that had Bondo, and not even that much. It was just kind of a lazy repair. A little bit. So I decided, all right, bodywork. I mean, I'm painting a car, I might as well learn, and with a little tap of a hammer and 2x4 and a little bit of wood, it solved itself out pretty quickly. It's pretty stoked. Now on the AE86, another thing that's kind of hard during the paint prep is you have to remove the window trim. And speaking of old 80s cars, these are notorious for breaking. So shout out Bonpai.net on YouTube. His videos helped me along in the process of removing the trim.
We have a gun that works.
Okay.